Now we're gonna look at just a week.
Okay, so now let's say you've known about that hot date or big event, but you procrastinated and you only have a week. So we're gonna wanna start with the water in the morning. And that water with lemon in the morning, it's mental. You feel good, like I'm gonna eat healthy today. But the lemon also is linked to detoxifying your liver. The pectin is good for digestion. So that's also important. And then green tea a couple times throughout the day. So then when it comes to the formula here that I want you to think about for the week, I want you to think about protein, healthy fat, and a fruit at breakfast. So the reason I want you to do this is that protein keeps you satisfied. When you have protein at breakfast, people are actually less likely to overconsume at the end of the day. So that's really important. Okay, the other thing is with the fruit in the morning, it's going to give you a little bit of fiber, and it's also going to give you that little bit of boost for energy. So here what you can have is have a hard-boiled egg, your avocado, throw in some raspberries. By the way, look at this. I mean, this is a great little breakfast here. This is actually one of my favorite breakfasts.
Delicious.
So then I'm gonna add on a little bit of black pepper, which reminds me, actually, you want to have lots of herbs and spices. Try to have them at every meal.
Because it gives you more flavor without calories.
Exactly. So I already talked about how greens are so important, and you really want to take it up a notch for these 7 days. Focus on vegetables that are going to work for you and help debloat you and help you flush out some water. So fennel, which is so delicious. I love roasted fennel.
Yeah.
But if you're hungry, listen to your body and have a snack. Something like vegetables, like
with guacamole.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you could have, a couple tablespoons of guac with peppers, or celery. So this healthy fat's going to help satisfy you. Or you could have
peanut butter on celery.
Yeah, so then take a tablespoon, though. You don't want to, you can't eat the jar. Don't eat out of the jar. That's always dangerous. Portion it out. So anyway, then you can have a tablespoon of peanut butter. And then, again, focus on, similar to what I was saying before, lots of veggies.
Lots of protein, lots of veggies.
And fill up with that. And obviously, if you're a vegan or vegetarian, your protein will look a little bit different, but it still should be protein and lots of veggies.
Gotcha.